Good morning, Anton Shirley here with the Miele Sweeper Center. And today, instead of talking about a product, I wanted to talk about a little issue that we've been running into. That issue being that customers, for one reason or another, have believed and been told that we've been out of business for quite some time now. That is not the case. We are going strong. We've been here since 2002, 2003. And one of the other issues that we're running into is we are the only Dyson Warranty Center in Northwest Ohio. And why that's so important is because with a machine that's under warranty, we are the only ones who can legitimately do that free of charge to you as the owner of that machine, paid by Dyson for that warranty and that repair. There have been times that we've had customers, a good example yesterday, we had a customer come in, bring their machine in, who paid $60 to another local company to have it cleaned up. And let's just admit it, the cleaning was great, absolutely, but the real issue is that the cleaner head itself needs to be replaced. Now, because that dealer is not a warranty center, they couldn't do that for him. So they charged him just to have it cleaned up in hopes that that would help fix the problem. Another issue that we've been having is people calling in asking us, hey, can you get this part for Dyson? Absolutely. Well, we're told that another dealer is the warranty dealer, and that's not the case. We are literally the only warranty center in Northwest Ohio for Dyson. So please, make sure that you stop in at 247 Golden Gate Plaza, which the Miele Sweeper Center, that's where we're located, for any of your Dyson needs. Warranty, service, anything else, we are your dealer for you. We do OEM, that's original manufacturer parts, filters, accessories, that is going to be put onto your machine when you bring it in. So any questions, give us a call, 419-893-3346, or stop in again at 247 Golden Gate Plaza, and that's in Miele, Ohio, at the corner of the Anthony Wayne Trail and Conant Street. Have a great day.